It's the best way to eat your veggies and the easiest way to prep them too. We've spent all week loving on the sheet pan, and it would be a crime to slide by this series without a nod to vegetables. This recipe is simple, delicious, and my next guest says pretty much fail-proof. Our friend Lisa Danielson is our teacher today. It's great to see you.
Hi, how are you?
So you're known as Veggie Lisa.
I am.
On Instagram, and today we're calling you Sheet Pan Lisa.
I love it.
Because you stand to say this is your favorite way to cook and eat vegetables.
It's the easiest. And when you're talking about time in the kitchen, it definitely is the most convenient, I feel like. It's so fast, it's so easy. Anybody can do it. It's really hard to mess up roasting.
There is a little bit of trick though in the timing, right? And how to get an even roast.
Yeah, so we're really creating a meal with veggies, which most sheet pan meals have meat in them, but this one is totally vegetarian, and you can also make it vegan as well. But yeah, we definitely want to roast our sweet potatoes and our chickpeas first for about 20 minutes. Because they're a little bit hardier, and it's going to take longer for them to caramelize. Because when we roast vegetables, we're really just caramelizing them, bringing out the best flavor, and that's why roasting is a really delicious way to prep your veggies.
Are you surprised when you hear people say vegetables intimidate them, as in preparing vegetables, cooking vegetables?
Yeah, most people think that vegetables are corn and potatoes, but those are very starchy vegetables. They're wonderful, but there's so many other really good veggies that we can get our complex carbohydrates with.
I love that you're branching us out today with the sweet potatoes you said and the chickpeas.
Chickpeas, yeah. Okay. So that's our plant-based protein right here. So you're gonna wanna take your sweet potatoes and really just chop them into half-inch pieces.
Does size matter, Lisa?
It does matter. I mean, if you cut them too big, they're not going to cook all the way, and if you cut them too small, they kind of disintegrate in the pan.
So go for a good even size.
Yeah.
Medium scale.
Yeah, medium scale, bite size, I feel like, or a little bit bigger than bite size.
Medium scale, what am I talking about? Chop the sweet potatoes.
There you go.
And put them on the pan.
That's right. Next, we have our garbanzo beans, our chickpeas. And so what you're going to want to do with these is take them out of the can, rinse them, dry them. That's the trick, is to make sure that they are nice and dry.
Like just lay them out on a paper towel, give them a good pat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And even if you just want to lay them out for about 10 minutes, they should dry right up.
I'm asking like somebody who's never cooked chickpeas before.
Well, roasting chickpeas is new for a lot of people.
It's new to me. Okay.
Okay, now we're going to season them. So we're going to put just a high heat oil. You could use avocado oil. I like olive oil because it's usually what I have. Then we're going to take some onion powder. And if you want to add salt and pepper to this, I definitely wouldn't add any like onion salt or anything like that.
And are we coating the vegetables with oil? I mean, do you want them nice or?
You'd need a little bit, right?
You don't need a lot.
Them. And then cumin, which is always delicious.
Would you say people underdo it on the oil or overdo it more commonly? Yeah.
Overdo it, yeah. Because we're gonna get some water released from, especially the sweet potatoes, as they're cooking. And so it really is just kind of the easiest to put the cumin in and season them, and then put them in the oven for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
And then you're gonna take them out and they're gonna smell really good.
On 400?
About 400.
400.
Yeah. And then we're gonna add some other really nice veggies that don't take as long to roast up.
So you're layering for timing purposes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we've got some really nice sliced red onion, which will give it a really good flavor. And then you toss all of this again. And then when you get it out, you can put on whatever toppings you want.
So back in the oven for?
Yeah, 15.
Okay, 15. So the sweet potatoes and chickpeas total will be about 35 to 40 in the oven, but the broccoli cooks quicker, so it goes in last. I'm following you. I plan on making this.
Yeah, I'm so excited because it's really, really good. And then when I take it out, I usually put some fresh cilantro on it.
Cilantro?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you can really just top it with whatever. And then when I serve it with jasmine rice. You could also do couscous or quinoa. And then you can do tzatziki. I've got some really good pesto that I made this summer with my basil in my garden. You could even throw hummus and microgreens on top. I mean,
oh my goodness.
Really the options are pretty endless.
She's like, grab what you have and put it in a bowl. That looks amazing. And that looks like something I would be plated at a restaurant that I would order off a menu. That's gorgeous.
Oh, well, thank you. And
gorgeous.
It's nice to have color, right? Because we're supposed to eat the rainbow.
Yeah.
All of the vitamins and minerals are in these colored vegetables. And so it really is best to get a variety of them.
You mentioned the hummus. How did you make that?
Well, hummus is chickpea based, right? And then you add some tahini and whatever spices you like, garlic or...
It's so fun to learn from you, and you do make it seem so approachable and so easy for us novice veggie cooks. and eaters. So thank you so much. We appreciate it. Where can we get more inspiration from you?
On Instagram, VeggieLisa or VeggieLisa.com.
I have a feeling my kids will go for this one.
Oh, good. Well, that would be exciting.
Would. Yeah, sweet potatoes are a hit.
Distribute the onions. Sometimes kids struggle with onions.
Stronger flavors. Okay. Yeah. We'll link you over to Lisa's Instagram from our website, studio5.ksl.com. And what a fun series this week in the kitchen. Sheet pan party, using the most versatile dish in your kitchen to serve up all sorts of food and fare. You can find the recipes served previously this week on our website too, studio5.ksl.com.